cut this Buddha hand open, and it's already quite soft. So the soft part I'm going to dehydrate, and we'll use that for, I'm going to try to use it for teas. It's meant to be quite good against tummy aches and pains, so we will try that out at some point. But in the meantime, if we dehydrate it, it's not going to go off. The harder finger, the actual fingers are still quite firm, so I'm going to try and candy them, and we'll see what the kids think of them. So, yep. Hi guys, today we are going to be trying some Buddha hand candy. Now, as Lucas mentioned, we did buy a Buddha hand plant, and we also bought a Buddha hand fruit, which I had to end up processing fairly quickly because it had started going off. So I haven't got it in front of me here, and it was late at night when I processed, so I haven't recorded the process of making these candies either, but it basically involved boiling them in salted water twice, and then boiling them or simmering them in sugared water for about an hour, and then covering them in more sugar. So what is not to like? However, eating the Buddha hand raw, most people will tell you it isn't eatable. It doesn't have a typical citrus fruit centre with juice. It just is skin and pith, or the white stuff. You can chop it up finely and add it to salads for a bit of flavour. You can leave it out on your bench top for an amazing citrus smell. It does have a bunch of vitamins and good stuff in it. It is said to help with tummy pains and other pains in your body. So there is benefits to eating it, it just isn't that eatable. We've dried some as well, which we will try and use in tea blends to get the healing properties out of it. We're gonna try some of these, let you know what we think, and is it worth making them, or for that matter, growing a Buddha hand tree if you want it for beneficial purposes. If you like the ornamental look, I mean, it's gonna be worth it no matter what. But if you need it to have a purpose, are these candies worth it?
Can we help you?
So for me, that definitely reminds me of, well, basically peel. You know, when you peel your oranges and put it through baking or on icing, that's what it reminds me of. So yeah, it definitely tastes like a citrus peel of some sort. The Buddha hand isn't a lemon per se, it's part of the citron family, but it is its own fruit. You won't find any seeds in it either, but yeah, I think if you're gonna eat it, it's a good way to eat it. You could put it on top of your cake for decorations and things like that too. So once they are candied, put them in an airtight container in the fridge, and they can last for quite some time. But I highly doubt these are going to last us very long to eat. Alright Theo, you can try the num-nums. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Papa.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to have another piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks so weird. Tastes like candy. I definitely do taste the zucchini taste.
Zucchini?
Because I really like this.
Oh, good.
Tastes like cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Yep.
Wow.
It smells exactly like
Chips.
Chip.
Yeah.
Does it smell like anything?
Maybe like zucchini chips. Fried zucchini chips.
Okay, you guys are weird.
It does. Oh, here, because the sugar's sort of wet off. Then it smells like Buddha's hand. No, it's good. It tastes sort of like those little apricot and peach sort of cubes that you get in a cereal with it. Okay.
Do you still get like a citrusy taste?
A little bit. The skin ain't the nicest. You could have skinned it.
Okay, so Debs has graciously taken on this challenge of this video. She's made candy out of these Buddha hand citrus fruit. And it looks very interesting. It looks like, is this coated in sugar? Is it actually, or is it dehydrated? I don't know what she's done with it, but I'm gonna try it anyway. To me, it just tastes like lemon and sugar. Is that what it's supposed to taste like? I don't know. Well, lemon and sugar is really nice. This is when we need a miracle berry so we can actually make it even sweeter. But do you guys like it, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Why? Because there's so much sugar.
No.
Num nums. But it's very nice. But there's no different flavors to explain this video. It's pretty much just citrus and sugar. But it's cool looking fruit. So subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and definitely give Debs a thumbs up for taking on this challenge of this video. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Jasper out. Raven out.
Move. Out.
Raven out.
There.
Out. It's good. But Raven out.
Theo, do you love it?
Out.
Does it taste like sugar?
Debs out.